It Chaitanya ready? Yeah, please start.
So this is a video demonstrating how you can revamp and rewire your whole OT to make it completely automized. So mainly I've designed this because there is shortage of skilled OT assistants, and every time you need to train the new person to do what you wanted to do. And I, being a new surgeon, I wouldn't have that much support
Hi,
staff.
my name is Dr. Chaitanya Aravindankam. Today I am here to talk on the topic of surgical synergy, where you have an OT assistant for being a smart AI assistant. The main problem with today's individual practitioners is your OT assistant might not be skilled, or you do not have enough OT assistants at the right moment. So I have programmed my entire OT with voice commands, as it will be much easier for surgeons to do with voice commands. So let me show you how the first voice command is designed into the OT. So let us see how everything comes to life with this one simple command. Alexa, start theater. Okay. So with just one voice command, you can switch on the lights, your microscope, your retro illumination, your TV and video recorder, above that. Here I am simulating the surgical scenario, and here is the view through our 4K surgical camera. So here I am simulating a surgery, and to cut the glare from behind, so I use this command. Alexa, turn off backlight. Okay. This turns off the light that is causing a retro illumination. So I will use this command. Alexa, now I want to record my video or live stream my video directly to YouTube. So I'll use this voice command. Alexa, start recording. Okay. Alexa, stop recording. Okay. Suppose you want some help from outside the OT, or you need to call a person, you can use this customizable commands. Alexa, turn on. While you are doing the surgery, if you want to control your phaco machine parameters, or your foot pedal switches fails over time, you can always customize with voice commands. Alexa, previous mode. Okay. Alexa, suppose you want to change some certain parameters in the phaco machine while you're operating, you can do it with just for voice command. So you can say like, Alexa, increase bottle height. Okay. Alexa, you can even say like, Alexa, you can say like, Alexa, increase vacuum. Okay. Okay. Alexa, Alexa, Alexa. So that is done. You can completely turn off all the equipments and devices in the theater with just simple customizable commands like this. Alexa, stop theater. Okay.
So this
Good
you
job.
can.
Good job of using Alexa. Very nice.
So
But
this
suppose
is
Alexa conks off one day, then you're stuck.
so what I did is like the major challenge is internet, and strong internet and power system in scenarios like South India.
But you have connected Alexa to everything.
Yeah, yes.
Means your phaco machine, the lights.
Yes.
Everything.
There is always a fail switch, like where you can, it's both manually and like with Alexa, both the things we can work. Like if Alexa fails, like, so what I do is like I put a power backup for the router and the Alexa as well, so nothing doesn't fail over time. Sir? Nothing, sir. Just like how
No?
we speak in normally, it will take a week or two for to fine tune to your voice. Once it fine tunes to your voice, it only prerequisite is like you are the only surgeon who needs to give the commands over a period of time. So then it will adapt to you, and after that it will work fantastically.
How
But
did
if
you adapt the phaco machine to?
Sir, this is things that we require, sir. Basically, the phaco machine we can work any phaco machine that has a remote control. So all the newer generations have a remote control. So what we do is we'll actually intermit the signal or bypass the signal how the remote control works.
So you connect the remote to the Alexa.
We just duplicate the remote, sir, and
Okay.
we do that thing, and we connect with the Alexa with the voice commands.
Very innovative.
So you can actually, for a well-performing surgeon, you doesn't require much of alterations when it comes to vacuum and power. So when you're at the optimal zone like 300 or 400 vacuum, you require only like 20-30 degrees, or beyond 500 you require little increments, not more than 30. So you can design the program like it's an endlessly, you can write whatever codes you write. It's nothing like, it's just a small app. This is a small app where you just need to write the thing like, okay, if I say this command, increase it by 10 times. If I say this command, send the command by 20 times. Like how many times you want, you can increment it. So those many times, like it works like same way, sir.
Have you dispensed with the use of sterile covers or the phaco machine screens, touch screens and all?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It works because it works only how this also similarly sends the infrared signal only. So a disposal cover wouldn't be a problem, sir.
So do you operate without an assistant nowadays?
Only the nursing staff will be there, sir. No other person will be there in the OT, sir.
Okay, you mean OT assistant you don't need.
Yeah, OT assistant I wouldn't have, sir.
Okay, perfect.
You
I think it's a
collaborated-
wonderful way.
Sir.
Did you collaborate with an engineer, like biomedical? Like
No, ma'am.
you did it on your own.
I did it on my own. It took 1 month for me to do the thing.
This app is
Okay.
available on the App Store. It was created for you. Or
No,
you
ma'am. It's everything is available on Amazon. I bought all the things. So these all things are from Amazon. So it
you
costs you
set it
less
up
than 20,000 to fix all these things, ma'am. But only thing is you require little more patience to design what you want exactly.
very good.
Sure, sir.
Dr. Prashant ka?
Yeah, yeah, sir.
And you can call this one to give this Dr. Vishant.
So there is a small thing with Alexa, sir, where you can actually bypass the developer modes and you can confine it to the commands that you already designed. So irrespective of whatever it gets it from the internet across the web, it has every chance to get across it. But again, like the chances of people increasing, how many people gives the commands, again it might go wrong. But only thing is, if you are operating surgeon, it's better only you. This is more designed for an individual practice where a surgeon is the main person who gives the commands. So within a week or two, it will actually adapt to you. So, or if you want more thing, you need to explore the developer options where you need to lock into the only the commands that you feed it. Or you can do some more thing, go a little ahead, and you can do an Arduino board is there where you can actually design the commands. It is completely offline, but it is very expensive.
You are a very good example of how good the younger ophthalmologists are adapting to newer technologies.
Sir,
Very, very good.
One question.
Sir.
Whether there is any prohibitory laws like patent laws which you have to taken care of in developing your these devices.
Prohibitory in the sense, sir.
Means patent law, the Alexa is not your invention.
Yeah.
Alexa is somebody else's invention.
Yes, sir.
And Alexa invention is probably copyrighted or whatever patented by the company itself. So if you do something taking taking the help
Sir,
of Alexa.
Alexa is already available free of cost. It's a open source. Sir. Like basically,
That's what I
you
am
are paying
asking.
for it, and you have the right to develop it also. You have the option for developers also. So it doesn't restrict you in any way. They can't file anything on you. Because like there are multiple people who are using it for vast number of things. We are the least people who are using it for very low things.
Have you gone through all these things before?
Yeah,
before
yes,
doing
sir. Alexa is like completely open, sir. Like they don't do anything
That's
for
a
you.
different issue, sir.
Okay,
We can
that is
discuss
one
it later.
thing worrying us,
Which
no?
goes-
Okay.
yours is-
Yes, sir.